there are a couple of more ingredients that you can utilize to cleanse the energy of your candles. One is overnight in the moonlight, and that's my favorite. If I can, I will do that during the full moon. I would do that during the new moon if it is related, but anytime you can get it into, get your candles in the moon overnight is a wonderful cleansing. The other thing is with sea salt. So you can actually leave them for one day, one full day, or overnight, and you bury them in sea salt. So I don't have, that is not a practice that I do on a regular basis, but I would get a container. You can fill that with salt, and then you can literally lay your candles in them, and depending on how wide or how deep, and you bury them so that they're completely covered. You leave them for a full day or at least overnight, and you've got another amazing cleansing process going on. So you can put them outside. You can put them in the in salt. And if you don't have time for water, you forget about the moon, or it's too cold to go out there, you don't have a lot of salt, a very inexpensive way to cleanse your candles is with alcohol. Okay, and you're going to rub alcohol on them the same way that I explained to you before, starting from the bottom and working your way to the top. Okay, and then you can actually rub the alcohol on the exposed areas in the glass, which would be all in this area. So no matter what cleansing method you decide to use, it's really important that you're always focusing on the gold while you are cleansing your candle. So if you know what your candle is going to be used for, cleanse it for that purpose, have that intent in your mind. Pray, ask for blessings, ask for everything to be cleansed, and anything that would stop the work that you were trying to do with this candle be removed. And now I will see you in the next segment.